Let's show you these lawnmowers. Brand new. Something that you find in every store nowadays. And they sell one more. They sell the Briggs Classic. I'd rather buy the Briggs Classic than this. The only reason I have it is I told the customer, he came over and said it didn't run. I got it run that I noticed that the carburetor was leaking. Replaced gas line, all that. You know. But carb was leaking itself. So I got on eBay and I told him about 40 bucks. That's for everything. Sharpened blade, carburetor costs about $15. So it'd be what? $5 for labor for my time. So he didn't want to pay that. He said keep the damn thing. Alright. All this is plastic. Every bit of it. The carburetor, I'll show you that. The gas tank, of course. This cover right here has 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. That cover don't got really nothing into it. The only metal it got is the spring. It does got a metal gear that operates, that turns the motor. Got a starter plastic cup with a metal gear. So, that's going to last maybe 3 years before you have to replace that. But yeah, almost everything in this thing is plastic. The head of this is plastic. Okay. So I bought one of these right here. This one gasket that goes on the front. This gasket that goes on the back. Okay. Bear with me because I don't got a good camera or a camcorder. I only have my phone. So I just bear with me, please. Okay. So see these screws right there? You do not put a ratchet ever with that screw. You hand tighten that. I mean hand tight, just snug. Nothing more, or you will strip that. If you strip that, you got to buy another carburetor. That's what someone did on this. And, yeah, I don't know. Well, like, same one that at $250 because it had a bag on it. And, that was junk. You know what I mean? In my perspective. I mean, there's nothing metal no more. It's all plastic. It's, more to go wrong with it. You know what I mean? And like this. This is an old timer right here. That's the old, wind up, real steel. I don't know. I just don't know about these new ones. But this is a 5.5, 5.5 horse on here. I don't know. I just don't feel like it. You know what I mean? But I'm going to take it apart. I'm going to put it back together. I'll show you a introduction of it running. But I want to advise him You know, ain't well worth, you know, $25 to me. That's about it. But get running the other carburetor right here, and yeah, $15 for the carb. He won't argue with the price on me. I told him $40. You know, $40. So order the part and fix it. Well, the regular lawnmower mechanic wants $40 just to look at it. About $60 an hour after that, plus parts and labor. So, you know, well, when he said, okay, you can have the damn thing, it's junk, I took it. So I'll show you, okay? A bit running. Thank you.